Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to transfer Word document from laptop PC to mobile. Open the Word document that you are going to transfer. Now in a browser, search for WhatsApp Web. Open the official page. After that, from your mobile, link the device to the PC using the QR code. When the chats are loaded, open the chat with which you will share the Word file. There, press the plus sign and then choose Document. Select the Word file and click Open. In WhatsApp, you can add a message if you wish. Click Send and you will have sent this Word file from your laptop or PC to your cell phone. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.